it's Clancy again, and I'm an artist at Imagination Design Studios. The other day, we got a request from one of our viewers named Megan to draw a hippo. So grab your materials and remember to pause if you need time to catch up. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So grab your paper and pencil and start by drawing a circle just in the middle of your page. This will be our guide as to where the hippo's head is going to be. There you go. Next, just draw a smaller circle a little bit below for the cheeks of our hippo. And then for her mouth, just draw a big oval slightly out there, the bottom as well. And then for the bottom chin, just draw another circle just to give us a guideline of the overall shape. So this is the head, and this is going to be where the nose and the mouth are going to be. For her ears, just draw 2 circles as well. And then I'm just going to draw a quick line there so we know where her body sits. Alright, now we have a very basic shape of our hippo. And now we can go into detail. So for that, just draw a line across the first circle that you did, and then draw a curve just across so you have a guideline as to where the eye is going to be sitting. So for that, just draw an almond shape. Just the side here and just a little bit above the guideline. Same on the other side. And this side can have a smaller shape, very slightly. Alright. And then we'll draw another circle inside for her eyes. Then her pupils could be shaded in with another circle in the middle. And for this one, because she's a lady, I'm going to be adding some lashes curled outward and then thicken that line a little bit more. Alright. Then her eyebrows, can just draw 2 lines above there. And then you can slowly draw that line going all the way down, and then you can connect it down here for her nose. So for that, just draw an upside down teardrop shape on both sides, and then 2 curves going outward for her nostrils. There you go. And now for her mouth, I'm just going to darken this curve that we drew earlier and go all the way here. But in the middle of this circle that we drew earlier, I'm just going to draw a little bit of a dip, going the opposite way. And then go back to that outward curve that we drew earlier. You can even draw a small line going that way for detail. And then for her smile line, you could just draw another curve all the way there. And now for her teeth. So for that, just draw 2 lines going down and then connect it with another curve. Same for the other side, but this one's a little smaller because it's a 3/4 view. And then you can connect it with her mouth just by drawing a curve there. And her tongue is just inside. So I'm going to shade this part too. So go so you see the inside of her mouth. And then her bottom lip would have a curve going down like so. And now you can darken the rest. So for her bottom chin, I'm just going to darken it all the way here and then darken that side. And then for above her forehead, just darken that outside lines. And her ears, you can actually slightly add a little bit of curve going inward And then just darken the guideline that we drew earlier all the way up here. And then you can erase this part because we don't need that. And then draw a little bit of an S curve just inside that for detail. So this one I'm going to erase the guidelines because we don't need that. And then for her other ear, I'm just going to draw another curve going out. There you go. Now, I'm just going to darken the rest of the outside lines. So for that, I'm just going to go here and maybe have this go all the way across for detail. And bam. And there you have it. Now you have a drawing of a hippo. Thank you for following along with our lesson today. We'd love to see your drawings, so either post them in the comments section or use the hashtag IDS Kids Club, because we might even share your drawing for everyone to see. So stay creative and keep healthy, everyone. And don't forget to wash your hands often for 20 seconds or more to help prevent the spread of germs. Alright, until next time, bye now.